All right, welcome. This is an introduction for me and my friend here. He will be referred to as Squirrel, and I'll be referred to as Archangel. And we're two of the members of the Archangel Builds team. Woo! We love models, we love building, we love sharing, and we hope to grow a community where we can share with like-minded people our buildings, our paintings, reviews of models that we think that you would enjoy building, enjoy having, collecting, and where to find those kinds of things. If you look here, this is my friend here, Squirrel's collection. He has a lot of Warhammer stuff. He loves Gundam. You can also see some other things here.
Yeah, that's just Gundam. Oh yeah, and Armored Core. That's what the middle one is.
And over here we have some of his first models that he's built. It's a Gundam. This one in particular is the
Wing Gundam Zero.
Wing Gundam Zero. And I'm certain you could probably find this on Amazon somewhere, still being sold by some people.
Or at least an equivalent model. This one in particular came straight from Japan, actually.
Yeah, they still do have reissues. I know they always do that at times. And then here we have a frame arms. It's a Baihu, the White Tiger. And here we have some of his Warhammers. And you painted these yourself, correct, Squirrel?
Yes, I did. The left is a Redemptor Dreadnought I converted into a Venerable Dreadnought. And on the right is my own personal take on Lionel Johnson, the Primarch of the Dark Angels.
Pretty cool stuff. And then, you know, there's other stuff back there.
Yep, I recently moved, so
yeah.
A bunch of stuff is in boxes.
But over here we have more Warhammer models. And in the coming weeks and months, you guys will see videos of Squirrel here building and painting these things, and you know he'll be uploading them. He'll be one of our Warhammer guys. He loves Warhammer.
Yep.
Loves it way more than I do. In fact, I'm more of a frame arms and Megami devices and 30-minute missions kind of guy.
And then waifu models, that's where we get the views.
Yeah, those waifu models. But we're willing to build anything that anyone wants to recommend towards us. If they have something that they want us to review or build or even paint, just give us a recommendation in the comments and we'll see if we can get our hands on that model and make a video of it.
If we're not already too poor to purchase it.
Well, hope you guys enjoy our channel. Hope you guys enjoy our stuff. There will be more videos coming. I'm actually going to the Salt Lake Fan X this Saturday, and I'll be sharing some videos from there about models I find there. I might not buy anything. If I do, I'll let you guys know. However, this is us signing off. So you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for your future support.
We're poor, and this is why.
All right. Take care.